Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm just gonna show you coupon codes for your NordVPN, that is a VPN website that provides you a specific VPN address in your mobile phone. So how can you avail the subscription or how can you get discount if you're logging into your NordVPN account and if you're going to subscribe their subscription or get their membership, how can you get discount in that? So firstly, we just have to think that there is no other option to find any type of coupon code, but you can go on your Google Safari here, open up your search bar and just search for NordVPN coupon codes and you will get this type of websites here. But you have to click on the second website called as Googie Coupons. So just click on this website and here you will find all the details about the coupon code. Also you can see the validity, that is 8th August 2023 and today is 8th August 2023. So these codes are available only for today. So just go on NordVPN website, just copy these codes and get your subscription today because it's giving you discount. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you like, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you. If you have any suggestion, any query, confusion, so just drop into the comment section. We will surely make a video on that. Keep watching, keep loving.